Welcome back. Goa Pradesh Congress Committee demanded resignation of Sports Minister Ramesh Tawadkar and Law Commission Chairman Narendra Savaikar following charge sheet filed on them in Utah violence case. Meanwhile, MP Sardina has sharpened his horns to fight for Daboli Airport lobby. MP will meet civil aviation and AII officials on 31st January to discuss Daboli.
आज आम्ही काँग्रेस पक्षातर्फे मागणी करता मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकाराकडे की काल भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे नेतो आज मंत्री आहा सरकारान रमेश तवडकर हेचेर चार्जशीट फायल जाल्ले आसा मागीर दुसरो लॉ कमिशनाचो जो चेअरमॅन आहा तेचेर चार्जशीट फायल जाल्ले आसा म्हणून खंय तरी हेंकां इमिजिएटली काडून उडोवपाची गरज आहा कारण कित्याक आज लॉ कमिशनाचो चेअरमॅन सुद्धा असताना नरेंद्र सावयकार खुबशा गोष्टींचेर जेन्ना लिगल एडवायस सरकार मागता आरोप पत्र दाखल जाल्ले मनीस कितें एडवायस करूंक शकता.
Congress MP Francisco Sardina will meet Civil Aviation and Airport Authority of India officials on 31st to discuss the issues related to Daboli Airport. Sardina is opposed Mopa Airport.
I am chairman of the estimate committee. I will do my job. I will make very clear to them. Otherwise, this is democracy. I will be in front. If any government is going to hurt Daboli or South Goa, I as a representative, I will be in front leading the agitation. I don't care. But as I said, if another airport comes, I don't want to be instrumental to say because we have to plan for the posterity. We have to plan for 40-50 years ahead. Then you will not get land.
Mahesh Ghadi with Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
And now news from sports. Indian Oil Corporation dominated the inter-unit table tennis championships organized by Bharat Petroleum for Petroleum Sports Promotion Board at Kamal. I.O.C won the men's and women's teams championships. Achanta Sharath Kamal of I.O.C clinched men's individual title, while B.P.C.L's Neha Agarwal topped women's individual competition.
Olympian Neha Agarwal of BP faced Divya Deshpande of ONGC in the all-important final of Women's Individual Championship at the P.S.P.B table tennis tournament on Monday afternoon. In the men's final, Sharath Kamal took on fellow I.O.C player Soumyadeep Roy for the individual title. The best of 7 match went right down to the wire where 6-time national champion Sharath Kamal came out on top by 4 games to 3. Indian Oil Corporation with some of the India's best table tennis players in men's and women's categories were the deserving team champions. A sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Devendra Gaukar from Kampal.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.